Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at how you calculate the difference between distance and displacement. So if we go back to this slide, distance is the total amount you've traveled. It's everything added up, your total. Displacement is how far you are from where you started. So if we look at this picture here, we can see we started right here. Our distance, this is the actual path we took. So this is all of the stuff that we traversed. It's like a step counter. It's like counting how many steps you actually took. Then your displacement, if we started here and ended here, is how far you are from where you actually started. So the distance between where you started and where you ended. It's like your shortcut path, basically. So if we go back to this question, this says a dog walks 14 meters east and then 20 meters back west. What is the dog's distance and displacement? So let's draw a picture of what's happening. So the dog walks 14 meters east, and then he turns around and he walks 20 meters west. So that's what's happening. When we find our distance, remember this is our total. So our distance is our total. That means it doesn't matter what direction the dog is walking in. We want to add up everything. It's the total amount that he walked. So I can take 20 plus 14. And feel free to type this into a calculator. If you do 20 plus 14 in a calculator, you're going to get 34. And we can't forget our label, our units. It says he walked in meters, so it's going to be 34 meters for our distance. That's our total amount that he walked. Displacement, on the other hand, is a little bit trickier. So remember, displacement is how far he is from where he started. So let me change colors here for a second. So we want to find, if he started here and he ended here, we want to find this red section. That's what his displacement is, how far he is from where he started. So this time we have to pay attention to the directions. The directions really matter, which direction he's walking. So if he's moving 14 meters east and 20 meters west, if he's moving in the same direction, we add. If he's moving in different directions, we subtract. So we know that he's moving in different directions. One time he's going east and the next time he's going west. So we want to subtract these numbers. We want to take 20 minus 14. And you can do this in a calculator as well. When you type 20 minus 14, you're going to get 6. So now with displacement, you have to say what direction he is in now. And the way you determine what direction he's in now is whatever he did the most of. So we want to look. He moved 14 meters east and 20 meters west. He moved more in the west direction. So now he's 6 meters to the west would be our answer, or 6 meters west would be the answer, because he moved the greatest amount to the west. So our displacement would be 6 meters to the west, whereas our distance would be 34 meters.